Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about Noom is that it doesn't just focus on what you eat, it focuses on why you eat. The Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss app takes a psychological approach to health, combining behavior science with nutrition tracking. But does it really work? Let's uncover the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Noom's biggest strength is education. It helps users understand the psychology behind their habits through daily lessons, quizzes, and motivation coaching. This mental shift helps you make smarter choices not just for a week, but for life. The app uses a simple color-coded system to guide eating: green for nutrient-dense foods, yellow for moderate choices, and red for calorie-heavy items. It's easy to follow without feeling restrictive. For people managing diabetes, Noom includes blood sugar tracking and meal suggestions that promote balanced glucose levels. Another major pro is accountability. You're paired with a personal coach and a support group, which makes sticking to goals much easier. It also integrates with fitness trackers like Fitbit and Apple Health, keeping everything connected. Now, the cons. Noom can feel time-consuming. The daily lessons and logging take effort, especially for those who prefer quick interactions. The subscription cost is also higher than most calorie tracking apps, and while Noom helps change habits, it does provide specific meal plans or recipes, which some users miss. In conclusion, the Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss app is ideal for people who want to understand their health on a deeper level. It's not just about losing weight, it's about transforming your mindset around food and long-term wellness. If you're looking for sustainable change and don't mind investing time, Noom is one of the smartest tools out there. But if you prefer straightforward diet plans, it might feel too psychological. Still, for most users, Noom delivers lasting results that go far beyond the scale.